Okay, so this is the Unity's FPS sample. So let's say we're just iterating, on the concept of kind of shooting here. So as you can see, the bot follows and shoots. So I don't like how it follows me. So let's just really quickly go and comment out that code and quickly recompile that so we can see the results. So yeah, so that's recompiled, and then the bot no longer follows me. So maybe that is a bit better in our scenario. What we'll do next then, so it hits every time, and let's just adjust that. So maybe it just should actually add some random adjustment there so we can actually miss some of the time. So very quickly I'll just go random adjustment, and I'll just insert it here, and then again just let it reload, which should be fairly straightforward. So now we've got it kind of missing pretty much all of the time, or most of the time, because it's always adding a bit of randomness to it. So what we can do now, maybe it shouldn't actually do that every time. Maybe it should just miss some of the time. So let's just replace the code for that and see how it behaves. So I'm just going to replace that whole bit in here. So just adding should miss, and then some of the time we'll just miss and add that random adjustment, and other times we'll just run without that adjustment. So let's do that again. And then I've also added some debug logs so we can actually see that this happens. So we've got like a with adjustment in here, and then sometimes we'll also have without adjustment. Yeah, this is pretty much what we expected to happen. So I think this is all good, quick iteration, and then you can play around. You don't have to reset the play mode at all. It just works.